Our ocean is nearly 4 billion years old, one of the most unexplored parts of our planet, with a magnitude of undiscovered species and mysteries. The ocean itself is self-regulating, self-healing, and the source of all life on Earth. It provides 70% of the oxygen we breathe and over 97% of the world's water supply. Yet, this magnificent environment is in danger, threatened by a truly global problem: ocean pollution. Ocean pollution refers to the introduction of toxic materials and other harmful pollutants, such as agricultural and industrial waste, like chemicals, oil spills, and plastic litters, into the ocean's water. The ocean provides humans with several resources and economic benefits, yet it is treated as a worldwide trash basin. The harmful effects of ocean pollution are virtually unimaginable. To begin, countless of marine animals die each year, and 100 million marine animals die each year from plastic waste alone, as 60 to 90% of the ocean pollution is made up of different types of plastics. And these pollutants does not only affect the marine life and their environment, it also affects us, mankind. Chemicals such as oil, mercury, lead, pesticides, and other heavy metals can all be found within the ocean, and these chemicals can contaminate water supplies and our food chain by affecting the marine life involved. If humans are exposed to these toxic chemicals for a long period of time, then this can result in dangerous health problems which include hormonal issues, reproductive issues, damaging our nervous system, kidney failures, Parkinson's disease, heart disease, rashes, diarrhea, and many other severe problems.
Ocean pollution is caused by humans and it will only get worse in the future. In the past 10 years, we have made more plastic than the last century. By 2050, the pollution of fish outnumbered by our dump plastic. Meanwhile, humans do a terrible job of making sure those products are reused or otherwise disposed of. About a third of all plastics produced escape collection systems only to wind up floating in the sea. Every day, Los Angeles area alone creates more than 10 metric tons of plastics that are carried into the ocean. This plastics is made up of plastic bottles, bags, straws, and etc. Besides that, materials that can be recycled but get put into regular bins often will end up in landfills, and some countries don't even have recycling programs as an option. When these items end up in landfills, the toxins can seep into the soil and make their way to the ocean through rivers. Alternatively, many lightweight plastics can blow away in transit or from the landfill into their drainage and rivers. Moreover, plastic rings used to tie six bags together are some types of plastics seen wrapped around the turtle flippers and the necks of numerous seabirds. These materials will prevent the animal from swimming, flying, or eating. As a result, many marine life die from choking or starvation. Additionally, deep sea ocean mining causes pollution and disruption at the lowest level of the ocean. Drilling for substances such as cobalt, zinc, silver, gold, and copper creates harmful sulfide deposits deep in the ocean. Metals that seep into the water release toxins and that disrupts the ecosystems, as these toxic metals destroy the biochemistry, behavior, reproduction, and growth of marine life.
Products and chemicals that goes into our drinks. This product we use on day-to-day basis that many people improperly discard down to the toilet, such as sanitary products, cotton buds, and bird wax. A lot of people also don't realize that when we wash our clothes, the majority of it are made from materials that are classed as plastics. These release microfibers as well, and yet again follow our own journeys to the sea. Non-point source pollution. It comes from a variety of different locations and sources. The result of this is a runoff, which occurs when rain or snow moves pollutant from the ground to the ocean. For instance, after a heavy rainstorm, water flows off the roads into the ocean, taking oil left on the streets from cars with it. Moving on, manufacturing plants in some areas of the world release toxic waste into the ocean, including mercury. While it's intentionally being released into the ocean, sewage also contributes to ocean pollution as well as plastic products. On a larger scale, there is also a problem with illegal dumping of waste.
The solution for ocean pollution for individuals, we can use the principle of reducing waste, reusing and recycling resources and products are often called the 3Rs method. Reducing means choosing to use things with care to reduce the amount of waste generated. Reusing involves the repeated use of items which still have usable aspects. Recycling means the use of waste itself as resources. Moreover, individuals also can use paper bags to replace plastic bags. It can help to reduce the usage of plastic bags because paper bags are easier to recycle, and because they are biodegradable, they can be used for purposes like composting. Furthermore, we can use a reusable water bottle, and we should stop buying the plastic water bottle because each of the plastic water bottle leaks harmful chemical into our environment along the way as it decomposes. Everyone should use recycle bag, and we should buy a recycle bag instead of paying for plastic bags. Besides that, individuals can also participate in ocean cleanup event hosted by the NGOs, as we can participate in the ocean cleanup event can significantly reduce the concentration of plastic in the ocean garbage patches, and work with stakeholders all around the world to intercept plastic in the world's most polluted rivers. We can also share some related posts about the ocean pollution issue on social media to raise the awareness. Lastly, individuals should support organizations that aims to help ocean pollution by donating money, participating in ocean cleanups event, and lending a helping hand to ocean to save our environment.
The government also has a massive role to play to help the issue of ocean pollution. One of the ways that they can do that is by enforcing the law. They can do so by having more frequent checks on organizations on the method of how they dispose their waste materials. As one of the main contributors to ocean pollution are irresponsible organizations that chooses the cheapest way to dispose waste material, which is just to dump it into the ocean. Furthermore, they should also impose higher or heftier fines or punishments towards those organizations or individuals who disobey the law and worsen the issue of ocean pollution. Other than that, government should also ban the usage of single-use plastic bags, as many of the other countries who are more environmentally cautious have already done so. On the other hand, government should also help organizations or NGOs that are determined to help battle the issue of ocean pollution, whether it be by funding or manpower. The government could also help by holding or funding innovation competitions that aims to help the issue of ocean pollution, as there are many creative people that can come up with amazing innovations, and with these competitions, it will provide them the opportunity to showcase their abilities and their products. Other than government, schools also play a massive part in helping battle the issue of ocean pollution. This is because they are responsible for educating the future generations. This is why they should be educating and stressing to the students on the importance of the ocean as well as the causes of ocean pollution, in order to make them more environmentally cautious. As the majority of citizens generally do not really care about ocean pollution and does not take the necessary steps or initiative to help better the situation.
So overall, we can conclude that plastic pollution is killing our oceans and also the wildlife within it. An ocean with no pollution would definitely be everyone's dream. Let's just imagine a clean and clear ocean with no pollution, no aquatic death, and no worries. We as human beings, wouldn't we want an ocean with no pollution? As it would definitely be everyone's dream. Moving on, Oceania has prepared us a video for us. So now let's jump right in and have a look.
This dolphin once swam in our oceans, but no longer. Plastic pollution is killing our oceans. The equivalent of a garbage truck worth of plastic is dumped in the ocean every minute. 17.6 billion pounds every year. The results are devastating. Oceania campaigns to end plastic pollution in our oceans at the source, from the United States to Chile to the European Union. Together, we can stop plastic pollution from destroying our oceans. Please go to oceania.org/give and make a donation today. Even $5 a month helps protect our oceans. Thank you.
From the video, it shows that we as humans could do our part and help out. Any amount that has been contributed would definitely be a help no matter how small the amount is. Thank you very much, and we hope that ocean pollution can be prevented in the future. Thank you.
Hi, Post Editing Zoe here. So if you actually like the documentary video that I've edited here just now, that you have watched, do type in the chat if you like jazz.